Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with another topic, that is SAS criterion from Practical Geometry 7th class NCERT. So in this session we are going to discuss about the constructing a triangle when the lengths of two sides and the measure of the angle between them are known. It means two sides and one angle is given, then how we are going to construct a triangle. So that is the main theme to here, construct a triangle. So let's start with the example problem. Construct a triangle PQR given that PQ is equal to 3 centimeters, QR is equal to 5.5 centimeters and PQR is equal to 60 degrees. So we have to construct with these given measures. Before going into the construction of a triangle, we have to make a rough sketch for any type of constructing diagram. So take the rough sketch here. See, construct a triangle PQR given that PQ is equal to 3 centimeters. So firstly we have to take a base with 3 centimeters. Now this is P and this is Q, right? Now QR is equal to 5.5 centimeters. We know that. But at the same time angle Q is equal to 60 degrees. So put a protractor here and make 60 degrees here and draw through that 60 degrees line like this. Now we don't know where the point R, but here given QR is equal to 5.5 centimeters. So again from Q, take the compass with 5.5 centimeters and make an arc like this. So this where the point of intersection, it is as R and QR is equal to 5.5 centimeters. Now connect the PR also. So this is the construction of a PQR triangle, that is also rough sketch. Based on this rough sketch, we are proceeding to the construction of a triangle. So let's start with step 1. Step 1 is take a base with PQ is equal to 3 centimeters. Now take the scale, marking 3 centimeters like this. See, this is 0 and this is 3, as PQ is equal to 3 centimeters. Now step 2. Here what we taken as step 2, from point Q, take an angle with angle PQR is equal to 60 degrees with protractor. Okay, now take the protractor and put it here at the Q point. So see one thing here, when you are using a protractor, the middle line, it means the point, it is must and should parallel to the where we are measuring an angle. So it is Q with 60 degrees. So here it is 60 degrees. Now draw a line through that like this with protractor and draw a line through that. So this is 60 degrees. That is also angle PQR is equal to 60 degrees. Now step 3 is here Q and this is P. With relative Q point, we have QR is equal to 5.5 centimeters. So take compass with QR is equal to 5.5 centimeters. Draw an arc from point Q on angle PQR is equal to 60 degrees line. Is that clear? Up to here. So see, take the compass and make 5.5 centimeters. So this is 5.5 centimeter. See, So without any disturbance of 5.5 centimeters, we have to draw an arc from point Q on PQR 60 degrees line. In this line. So this is Q and this is the line arc. Now put this point as R. So step 4 is mark the point of intersection of arc as point R, then connect RP points also. Now RP we have to connect these two also. So this is QR with 5.5 centimeters. This is PQ with 3 centimeters. See, this is the rough sketch and this is the original sketch, but these two are similar together. So this is about the construction. Therefore, the construction of triangle PQR with given measures PQ is equal to 3 centimeters, QR is equal to 5.5 centimeters, and angle PQR is equal to 60 degrees with SAS criteria. So this is about this session. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.